So today I'm going to answer some questions for myself and for you, hopefully. I figured people might be wanting to know, the Blink Outdoor battery-powered cameras, how close do they focus? Why would that even be important? Well, it's important to me because I have a Blink camera sitting inside this Bluebird box. It has a translucent panel on the back of it just so that we can take videos and photos. But getting information about the Blink cameras in particular and finding out how close they focus doesn't seem to be as easy as it should be. The manufacturer doesn't even tell us how close they focus. So you get the Blink cameras and you have to have a Blink module to sync them, and I have several. I bought a 3-pack. When you buy a 3-pack right now, it's $83 each. I paid full price for this stuff. And of course, they're by Amazon, no big surprise. And it has all the specs here, but look what's absent from the specs. 1080p, that's important for video quality, but they don't tell us what the minimum focal distance is. That question was asked in their online forum, and the manufacturer says 10 feet or more. That is not true, and I'm going to test it out with my fancy piece of paper here that's all metered off, 1 through 10 inches. It wouldn't do us any good at all to put a camera inside a bird box if it couldn't focus on the bird making its nest. We're also going to compare this with the Arlo Pro 4. And this is, of course, our focus screen. We're going to get the Blink app going here. You have to download this onto your phone so you can access your cameras to see how things are going, and of course to change the settings. So we're going to do a couple of different settings here too. Listen to the feedback on the audio there. This shows you the camera view, but of course I'm taking a video of the phone, not the camera itself. So we're going to actually make video samples, and we're going to show you those direct from the camera. But first we have to arm them. There isn't a way to turn on these Blink cameras and make recordings direct. It has to be activated and record on its own. It's okay though, they're not very expensive. And here we have the sequence that I made. We activate it motion wise, and I want it to last a long time. The other thing is you pick how long it makes a recording for when it is activated and how much time there is between activations. So all of that is in control on the phone. So here we go, sensitivity, we maxed it out. Clip length, 60 seconds. Retrigger time, that means after it's recorded a cycle, how long does it wait before it retriggers? 10 seconds. So I'm going to activate it, and I'm going to share what the sequences look like. Again, we're going to move the camera. So the focus grid is going to stay stationary. I'm going to slide the camera towards it, and I'm going to tell you exactly how far away we are. I think you might be impressed. This is the 10-inch mark. This is the 9-inch mark. This is 8 inches. 7 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch. So now we're going to do that in reverse. We're going to start at the 1-inch mark, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10-inch mark. This is the 9-inch mark. This is 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch. So I thought it was important to leave the audio the way it comes from the camera. Now we're going to move to the Arlo Pro 4. Very expensive camera. They're $155 a piece compared to $83 a piece for the Blink. And being that it's a much better camera, you would expect a much better image quality, and it probably is overall, but we're talking about close-ups. So we're going to answer that question in this video sequence. Watch. Right off the bat, the field of view is so much wider than with the Blink system. So we're at 10 inches right now, and we'll move into 9. And then we'll go to 8. And now we'll go to 7. 6. 5. 4. Now we'll shift to 3. 2 inches down to 1 inch. Now we'll just reverse it. 2. 3 inches. 4. This is where the Blink cameras did pretty well. 4 to 5. We're at 5 inches here. 6. 7. 8. 9. And back out to 10. So with the Arlo Pro 4 we started, that first test was in the wide video mode. So let's change that to see if it has anything to do at all with focal distance. So for this round we're changing it to full, which is 110 degrees. Let's see how that goes. Focal distance 10 inches, 9 inches, 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So at 10 inches right now, if this were in a bird box, I think distortion-wise we're better off than with the Blink camera. Let's drop it down to 5 or 6 inches. This is at 5. And back to 10. So we're back to the Arlo Pro 4. We just did the full field of view, 110 degrees. So I guess it's only fair we give it another shot now with the 125. Standard 125 degree field of view. and then it gives us a little preview. We can see it is distorted a little bit because that camera's already set at 10. So let's go and get sequences captured by the Arlo. So Arlo Pro 4, standard field of view, 125 degrees, and we're at the 10-inch mark. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 inches, 3, 2, 1 inch. And back to 10 for the finish. Now this is back at the blink system settings, so just to make sure that we were on even ground, you have a choice of Saber, Standard, or Best video quality, and this was all done in the Best video quality setting. Another feature though that I do like about the blink is that it's giving me the outdoor temperature. Arlo Pro systems do not do that, so that's pretty cool. So that's it. Looking at the two of them, let's do a comparison side by side to show you which one has the best resolution. Here we go, zipping in together. The big surprise for me is the blink is outperforming the Arlo Pro 4. So if you're going to put a small camera very close to something that you want to check up on with your phone, whether it be a bird box, beehive landing boards, things like that, you want to see what the activity is somewhere, and if you need to resolve details, the blink outdoor camera is going to outperform the Arlo Pro 4 close up. So of course this is not a testament to how well they perform 10 feet out, which may be what their actual design is, but if you're looking to put something in a tight space to observe wildlife, it's going to be the blink. I bought both of these full price. This is not a sponsored video. The Arlo in the 3-pack is $155 each, and the blink in a 3-pack is $83 each if you get them from Amazon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you.